Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your weekly Bitcoin analysis on our YouTube channel for the week of Monday, August 3rd, 2026. So we've got this nearly 9-year channel bottom that we closed below, back in June. And we've just been kind of hanging out here, trading both sides of it almost an equal distance, but nothing convincing in terms of a directional framework, but nonetheless skewing to the downside, with continued weekly settlements at or below this formation, definitely allowing 49,363. I'm going to say now by the end of the year with presently reduced volatility. And as we continue over the longer haul with a violation of this long-term channel bottom, I'm not personally surprised if we say by the end of next year or sooner fall into the mid to upper 10,000 region, 15,559 to 19,285. Now, certainly a settlement below 49,363 would lend to that scenario and set off follow-through selling. This could then be within 3 to 5 months, perhaps. But I don't see a compelling reason to be long Bitcoin right now as we move through the rest of the year, unless we can get up and over not only 64,793, but there's this descending channel top following the June low that's been roughly holding buying pressures, and it actually coincides very closely with the long-term channel bottom, 64,792. So this area all comes together this week. Our ceiling of resistance below which no compelling reason to be long Bitcoin. In fact, you can go back to this low area. I'll just put that out here. If you look in the yellow box, 57,737, that was the late June low. We could see that within a few weeks. And once again, we could see 49,363 over the next few months. Now, I am encouraging the buy side of Bitcoin. If we do close this week above 64,793, we would have a bit of a double buy signal back above the long-term channel bottom, but also above this structure here, this short-term, near-term channel top that should, within the timing of this with a spike in volatility, that could be by the end of September. With present volatility, it's like a 2 to 3 month rally into November. 81,408 would be expected within several months of closing this week above 64,793. This classic horizontal channel top able to contain buying through the rest of the year. And yes, a significant upside continuation point into 2027, but we're a long way from that. First, we need to close above 64,793. Until then, I see no compelling reason to be long Bitcoin if your time horizon is anywhere between now and the end of August and now and the end of the year. I'm going to leave it at that for this particular Wicked Stocks update on Bitcoin. You have a great week.